Oh, that was glorious sunshine coming up over the horizon. Couldn't really watch all of it because it came up a bit later than the scheduled time on Google. But also I only have so much time to do it. But I've just picked. So it's from Tesco's. What's it called? Powerful. So we're gonna have a look at that and see if I can get in it with one hand. No, I'm gonna have to put it down. It should work better than the one that I've got. Yeah, it's just a standard USB and look, I knew I was looking at something, but I wasn't sure what I was looking at. Funny how nowadays these are plastic and not metal like they used to be. Strange. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. Charging straight away, look. And like I say, it comes with a USB-C, which is fantastic.